everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing sugar cookie strawberry cheesecake dump cake. This recipe is so easy to follow and it's always a hit with family and friends. The best part is that you only need a few ingredients and you'll be able to enjoy dessert in no time. Please take a minute to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any new recipes, and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need for this recipe. 1 package of pre-made sugar cookie dough, 1 can of strawberry pie filling, 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 2 graham cracker sheets made into crumbs, and 1 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Begin by spraying a 9x13 baking dish with non-stick cooking spray. Open the package of pre-made sugar cookie dough and dump the pieces into the pan. Arrange the pieces so that there is a little bit of space in between each. Spread the strawberry pie filling over the sugar cookies. In a separate bowl, use a spoon or hand mixer to combine the softened cream cheese and the powdered sugar. Use a spoon or a cookie scoop to add dollops of the cream cheese mixture over the top of the pie filling and spread out with a spatula. Sprinkle with the graham cracker crumbs. Bake at 350 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes or until the top of the sugar cookies begin to brown. Remove and enjoy warm out of the oven or let it cool on a wire rack. I hope you enjoy this delicious sugar cookie strawberry dump cake. If you liked it, please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more recipes just like this one. The full recipe is in the description below, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. I'll see you next time.